Here is how to merge PDF file for free. No software, no sign up. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the video. If you got multiple PDF and you need to combine into one, this takes under a minute. Let's do it. Go to this website. Link in the description and pinned comment below. Now upload your files. You can drag and drop or select from your device. Drag to recover page if you need to specific order. Click Merge PDF. Download your combined file done. So, completely free and nothing is stored anywhere. In the next video, I'll show you how to compress a PDF without losing quality.